What's up, AI Gear Vault fam? Welcome back. If you're a business owner, a startup founder, or just someone trying to move fast without burning cash,
today's video is going to hit different. We're breaking down 5 AI tools that are doing the work that used to cost hundreds, sometimes thousands, a month in freelancer fees.
we're not here to say freelancers are dead. We're here to say your workflow is about to get a serious upgrade. Let's get into it. Alright, tool number 1. You used to hire a copywriter, $50 to $150 an hour, just to write product descriptions, add copy, email sequences.
Meet Jasper AI. It's trained on high-converting marketing copy, learns your brand voice, and outputs full campaigns. Blog posts, Facebook ads, email sequences, all of it.
I spun up a 5-email welcome sequence for a SaaS product in 20 minutes. That's a $400 to $600 freelance job, done before my coffee got cold.
The key thing, Jasper learns your brand voice over time. So it doesn't just sound generic. It sounds like you. Tool 2, and this one hits close to home for a lot of small business owners. Graphic design. You used to need a designer on retainer or post on Fiverr and wait 48 hours.
Canva's AI Suite and Adobe Firefly. Canva's Magic Studio generates social graphics, resizes for every platform, removes backgrounds, even animates your brand assets.
And Firefly is Adobe's generative engine, baked right into Photoshop and Illustrator. Type a description, it generates it. Commercial safe, trained on licensed content.
That commercial licensing part is key. For YouTube thumbnails, social posts, pitch decks, these tools are replacing what used to be a $1,500 monthly design retainer. Tool 3, and this one is personal for us because, we make videos.
Descript. If you've never used it, you edit video by editing a transcript. Delete a word in the text, the video cut is made automatically.
But the AI features are where it gets wild. Overdub lets you fix a mispronounced word without re-recording using your voice clone. Studio Sound cleans up your audio. One click removes every and ah.
A video editor on Upwork for this level of work? You're looking at $40 to $80 an hour. Descript is $24 a month. The ROI math is not subtle. Tool 4, Customer Support. Big one for e-commerce brands and SaaS companies especially.
Intercom's Fin is a GPT-4 powered support agent that lives in your help chat. It reads your documentation, your FAQs, your past tickets, and it handles customer questions autonomously.
And not in that frustrating press one for billing way. It actually understands context. Handles refund questions, troubleshooting, account issues, and knows when to escalate to a human.
Intercom's own data shows Fin resolves around 40 to 50% of conversations without any human. That's replacing 1 or 2 full-time support agents. Available 24/7. No time zones. No bad days. And tool 5, this one is for the builders. The entrepreneurs who are non-technical but building products. Or developers who want to move 10 times faster.
GitHub Copilot and Cursor. Copilot sits inside your IDE and auto-completes code as you type, full functions, test cases, docs. Cursor takes it further, you have a full conversation with your codebase.
We've heard from indie hackers who went from needing a $5,000 freelance dev project to shipping it themselves with Cursor in a weekend.
Complex architecture still needs real engineers. But for MVPs, internal tools, automations? This is a game changer.
So there you have it, Jasper for copy, Canva AI and Firefly for design, Descript for video, Intercom Fin for support, and Cursor plus Copilot for development.
5 categories. 5 tools. Potentially tens of thousands of dollars saved annually if you're running a lean operation.
Drop a comment, which one are you already using, and which one are you sleeping on? Subscribe for deep dives on every one of these.
See you in the next one. Peace.